Investment challenge day 11, and it's finally time to buy some stock. And here you can see my portfolio, and I didn't buy nothing yet. What you see here is the Baltic Horizon, and this is an IPO I signed up for, and I was given stock for 7,857 kroner, but as you also can see, I'm not able to trade it yet. There's a couple of days to go before I can actually buy more or sell. So I don't know if I'm keeping this, but in Sweden it's been a good idea, more or less signing up for all IPOs out there and then decide what to do with them, but everything goes up more or less. So we'll see what happens when it actually starts trading. And as of the rest of the portfolio, you can see an overview right here. This is the stock value, and this is my cash value, and a total of 100,000.40. It doesn't really matter. And you don't need to worry about any of these numbers, they are old. And here you will see my profit in percent and in the Swedish currency. So at the moment it's completely empty besides the Baltic Horizons, which I cannot trade. And now it's time for me to add my first stock into here, and that's going to be SOBI. I've spoken about this stock earlier, and the reason I'm buying this is if we look at the long term, it's been really slow. It's been down to about 94 and then started to trade up a bit, and it looks like it's gaining momentum. And I really like all the reports from this company, so I'm gonna buy this and hope it doesn't retrace back down again. And I'm just gonna buy 100 stock. I could just buy this, it doesn't really matter the smaller amount in this case, so 10,000 will be my buy. And there you can see my buy of the stock. So from today the challenge really starts. Even if it's just a small position, I'm thinking about buying 2 more companies later this afternoon. It's now 15:22, and we're just going to see what happens when the trading takes off in the United States. So that's it for now. Still day 11, a couple of hours later, and the American stock market is open. So I'm thinking that I should add the American stocks as well. And I'm gonna add Blizzard, as I said that I would. There we go. And take 2. The previous buy didn't really move much so far. This is today's, so it's just trading. And let's see what's happening with the portfolio. Okay, so they didn't go through yet, but here you can see it, and I'm gonna be about halfway through my portfolio with investments. So that's the update for today.